We are going to talk about installing an aftermarket heatsinks and for the CPUs for the Dell T5600. As you can see here, I already installed a couple of Cooler Master Hyper 212 Turbo. You will have to modify two things to install these fans to the Dell motherboard 2011 socket. The first thing that because of the motherboard socket doesn't have the normal nuts here, so you can attach so you can attach the fan. I used four 3mm screws here, as you can see them. I left the original the fan original sockets back there. I hope you can see that they are not used anyway, because if I wanted to use it in another case or in another socket, you can change, just you'll have just to remove this 3mm screws here. I believe it is 4 centimeters, and you just remove them, and you can use it again with any motherboard or any other socket. So that's it about installing the heatsink itself. Just 4 screws of this one for every heatsink, and it is 3mm screw. I'm not sure. Anyway, it's about 4 centimeters. You can use a shorter one like 3 centimeter or 3.5. So next thing is connecting the fan to the board. This one is a little bit tricky because you can order the converters from eBay. They are cheap, but they will take a very long time to arrive. So what I have done here is that I removed the motherboard socket, like this one here. Yes, this socket here with the with plastic latch here. You can see it. Okay, this one I removed the CPU ones. It has 2 of them. I removed them, and I installed the fan socket directly to the board. You will have to leave one socket empty. The one here is on the left, and on the other side, I'm not sure you can see it, but there. Okay, I will send a picture. I will put a picture in the description, so you can know which one to ignore. So you just install on 4 pins, and you will have to arrange the cables in a different way in this socket, and it is easy to remove the cables or the pins from the socket by using a small needle or something, so you can take them off, replace them, and the motherboard can read them with no problem, and it can read the speed and everything, and can control it from the motherboard. And there is another thing I wanna say also. The motherboard has 3 system fans sockets here, and when it starts it displays an error because they are missing, as you can see. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use 12 centimeter BWM fans. I will also remove this sockets there, the black sockets, and I will install them after rearranging the cables. I believe they are the same arrangement because the same ones as the CPU fans. So that's it for retrofitting fans for Dell T5600, and I believe it is the same for the T3600. So instead of purchasing the original cables, and because it's gonna cost a lot for me to get them shipped and customs and everything. So that's it. Thank you, and I will make another video about the ATX cable here. As you can see, I'm using two power supplies, every one to power one CPU. You can usually use an expensive high wattage one with like 800 watt or something like that to power the CPU and video cards if you have high consumption ones. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I hope I will make the ATX video soon. Thank you.